So here's my Quorum 52-inch blade ceiling fan with the LED lights. So as you can see here, we have the simple switch on the wall that's on and off, and then you have the remote control here where you can adjust the light and the fan itself. So there's 3 different settings. I typically keep it on the second one just because the third one is on overdrive and it's super high, so it cools down the room almost too fast. So if you're looking for something, if you have higher ceilings and you're just looking for something that's easy to install, this definitely checked all the boxes for us. We had this fully installed in about an hour and a half, and I love the fact that it cools the room down super fast.